National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Starr County in deep South Texas, southeastern Zapata County in deep South Texas, southwestern Jim Hart County in deep South Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near the Boers and moving southwest at 5 miles per hour. Locations impacted include the Boers and Dara. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for large hail. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows. This storm is capable of producing large hail that can dent vehicles, damage roofs, break windows, and cause significant injury to those caught outdoors. If you have time, move or drive vehicles to a garage, carport, gas station, or car wash. The National